My name is Lebohang Mate and I work as the External Marketing and Communications Administrator at African Clean Energy Lesotho. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to who we are as a company, the products that we produce, and everything that's exciting about us. Come on in.
Hi, my name is Jason Stank. I am the Commercial Director at African Clean Energy Lesotho. We are a company that operates in 3 continents, Africa, Asia and Europe, with the sole mission of eliminating the worst forms of poverty on a platform of clean energy and smartphone technology. With our mission as a driving force, we have employed 90 like-minded individuals in Lesotho who work tirelessly to achieve our goals.
Why was the company created? Upon realizing that around 7 million deaths every year are directly linked to air pollution, and 3.8 million of those are specifically credited to household air pollution, and it affects specifically women who carry the burden of domestic work in disadvantaged parts of Africa. We thought about ways that we can reduce this number, and that is how the ACE1 cook stove was born. The ACE1. It is a smart, clean, biomass cook stove and solar home energy system. It uses a combination of thermal and electrical generation to provide users with a smokeless cooking experience. The solar-powered electricity it generates is also very useful for lighting homes and charging phones. The manufacturing process. In order to get the finished product, there are different stages of production that require different sets of skills, most of which are acquired on the job. Our dedicated production teams do everything right here in Maseru, Lesotho, from meticulously cutting the ACE brick at correct angles to make what we see as the burning chamber, to fitting batteries and many other components to assemble the ACE1. We also have a team of highly skilled IT technicians who see to the technological aspects of the ACE1, while our quality control team ensures that upon dispatch, our product is up to standard. The ACE1 is then distributed to consumers in Lesotho and beyond its borders to other parts of Africa. Our product has modernized traditional ways of cooking in these areas, from open fire, which used a lot of wood, eventually leading to deforestation, to small amounts that are sustainably sourced.
Good day, my name is Chitosili and I work for African Clean Energy. To bring our product closer to our customers in Lesotho, we have in recent years established shops at Botabote, Tabatek, Simongo, Halejoni and Mafeteng with the funding of the European Union. We will construct 25 shops across Lesotho to better serve our local and remote areas. We also have sales representatives who hand deliver and sell the product to the community, as well as maintenance personnel who are especially trained to solve all maintenance and stove related issues.
In 2020, we introduced the ACE Connect app, which adds even more value for our customers when used in conjunction with the ACE1. The app allows customers to keep track of their payments, provides users with tips on how to optimize stove usage, and many other things. This app can be downloaded for free from the Google Play Store.
With this product, we hope to contribute towards a bigger picture of saving the deteriorating condition of our planet, especially in Lesotho, where we're losing good arable land to soil erosion and deforestation. The 7th Sustainable Development Goal states, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. And that is exactly what we envision, a world where clean energy and connectivity is for everyone. Thank you.